Welcome to Easy Gates, Gate 22 Instrumentation Paper Solutions. Problem number 31. One more from analog electronics based on a Zener diode. So given a Zener diode used as a 4-volt voltage regulator in the given circuit. That means Zener diode breakdown voltage is not mentioned. So you can take its reverse breakdown voltage. Otherwise it can't act as a 4-volt voltage regulator. So 4 volt. So that means you have a Zener. Given a Zener, its breakdown potential is 4 volt. But that is possible only when it has a minimum current of how much means 4 milliamps. So what is given is IISc or IIS minimum for the Zener to operate in breakdown is given as 4 milliamps. That means if you want the Zener to act as a regulator in the circuit, if you want the Zener to maintain a constant voltage of 4 volt across the load, Zener should be in regulation or in breakdown. So for that, the Zener demands a current of how much? 4 milliamps. That's a problem. So the maximum current permitted to flow through the load RL is. So what can be the maximum current the load can draw from the circuit without disturbing Zener regulation? Okay, without disturbing Zener regulation. That's very simple, straightforward problem. So we can assume the bottom reference is 0. So therefore, this point potential is going to be 16 volt. And assuming Zener in breakdown, because it has to maintain 4 volt drop across the load. So take this as 4 volt. So the top potential is going to be 4 volt. Then the drop across 1200 will be, this is higher, 16 is higher, 4 is lower. So 16 minus 4 is going to be 12 volt drop. 12 volt across this will make 12 by 1200. So 12 by 1200 is nothing but 1 by 100. Okay, so 1 by 100 means it is going to be 10 milliamps. Okay, so 10 milliamps current, the current limiting resistor supplies to the circuit. So 10 milliamps comes in, and Zener demands a minimum of 4. Therefore, the load cannot take more than 6 milliamps. Okay, so that's a maximum current load can draw. Okay, that means IL should have a range of, suppose if the range is 0 to, if it is a problem of range 0 to 6 milliamps is the load current, we should not draw anything beyond 6. So the name, it is maximum current permitted to flow through the load means. Yes, that's a number. So the answer is very simple, straightforward problem, I think, for 1 mark. Okay, so the maximum current is in what? Milliampere. So up to 1 decimal place. So the answer must be 6.0 is the correct answer for this problem. Okay, and majority of the gate aspirants might have connected for this problem. That's very easy. Okay, Zener regulation. So do subscribe our channel. We'll update you with the next problem.